SAMBAR door crank retrofit. I'm going to pop this handle off. I've seen other videos about used cardboard or a shirt. In one of my other videos I talked about the clip being similar to Chevy, so I use a Chevy clip remover. Stick her in there. Give some wiggles. I got to set the camera down. I can't do both at the same time. Alright, a couple of wiggles. Clip pops out. Comes off. What you can do with some of these is clean them real good and then hit them with a heat gun to bring the gray back. It'll bring the oils back to the surface. But what I was really getting to is a retrofit. So I grabbed these from, I think it was Amazon. I'll leave a link. 2000 Toyota Tundra. They fit on there. I tried Chevy since, you know, we're using the Chevy tool. They're too loose. This one has a little bit of play in it, but oh yeah, I need to lube those seals, don't I? But it seems to work without chattering. I'm sure in the long run it might slip a little bit, but it'll get you by, because, you know, buying these original SAMBAR ones is no joke. Once I get the clip on there too, that'll help tighten it up. Maybe I'll try to put a piece of paper in there also. That'll tighten it up. Let me try. So here's the paper I tried. It actually helped a little bit. It's receipt paper. So what I'm going to do now is use a little bit thicker paper that I had just to try. So the easiest way I found, instead of trying to shove it in the handle, wrap it around, hold it with your finger, then gently slide this on. If you want to be nice to whoever might do this later, put the clip on like that, so that way they can bring in the tool from this side and not have to fight with the handle or the knob side. So I've got the escutcheon, or however you want to call it, on there. Clip in place, paper in place, and then we just slide it on. I'm gonna have to set this down again. Alright, noticed problem. The outer lip is a little bigger, so I need to enlarge this plastic trim piece just a tiny bit so it'll actually seat, unlike on the SAMBAR. So if you're not sure you're going to use this aftermarket one, you might wait. Although I think it won't be too floppy. Like I said, it's just a, look at that, just the tiniest little bit. I'm going to use a step bit. So a couple turns, I didn't use the drill, I just did it by hand. And it fits over good. Now we'll put the paper and push it on. The clip should hold it. There we go. Pretty tight. Doesn't seem to skip. Gray matches pretty good to the panel. Of course, that's faded. You can see, but a little torch action will clean that right up. Matches this handle pretty good, and the door panel itself. So I'll put a link, but 2000 Tundra is what it was. So hope it helps.